Namaste. Welcome to Bull and Beer. How are you doing? I am sure you are good. And today, after watching this video, you will become better and more good. Why so? Because you will become rich. And I can promise you, you will become super rich if you see my videos and if you follow my advice. And I am not just saying because for the sake of saying. I can prove it and I can assure you after watching my videos and if you follow my advice, you will become rich because I am genius of mutual funds in India. Today, I'm going to talk about one of the best mutual funds in India. It is going crazy. People wants to invest money in this mutual fund, but this mutual fund has decided to stop people to invest in it. They're putting and imposing conditions so that they can control the crowd. Yes, I am sure after watching this video, you would like to invest in it. But sorry friends, you can invest but to a very limited money because this mutual fund is going crazy and insane. That is why the title of today's video is Money, Money, Money. Yes, and this is true. What are we waiting for? Let me disclose the name of today's mutual fund. It is HDFC Defence. Yes, Defence. This is the only mutual fund in India which is investing in companies who are working towards defense. What are these companies? What is this mutual fund? It is like a missile. It is like a bomb which has created so much of hype in Indian mutual fund market. And not only hype, it has shown the results. It is going crazy. It is growing every day. If you invest money today, you will see tomorrow the money has grown to some extent. And if you see after week, you will be happy. And if you see after month, you will be more happy. And if you wait for some more time, you would be laughing like me. Yes. Today we are going to talk about this amazing mutual fund. There is another mutual fund which is coming in India which is going to be in the defense sector, but so far this is the only mutual fund which is investing into defense companies. And what has suddenly made these defense companies go crazy? Actually, we are human beings and we like to love and we like to war, we like to fight, and that is why defense companies are gonna be there forever. As long as human beings are gonna live on this planet, people are gonna fight, countries are gonna fight, whether it's India, Pakistan, whether it's North Korea, South Korea, whether it's Israel, Palestine, or whether it's some other country. And when people will fight, when countries will fight, they need arms and ammunition, they need defense equipment to protect and to fight. And that is why these defense companies are going crazy worldwide. But in India, there are two defense companies which have done amazing things, and I'm going to talk about them very soon. But let's look at this mutual fund. Why I am saying this is insane. Actually, look at it. I don't think I have to say anything. Look at this mutual fund. From the beginning, I have shown the returns. This is insane. No other mutual fund in India will give this kind of return and this kind of appreciation. 123.62%. This is amazing. Even if you buy stocks, sometimes they don't grow this much. Yes, I mean, they can grow even triple, four times, but mutual funds is a safe investment, guys. What more do you want? Investing in a safe place and getting this kind of tremendous returns. Wow, you're gonna love me after watching this video because I am gonna make you super rich. Money, 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 money. Yes. All right, let's look at more detail. Look at this 6 months, whopping 68%. Look at this peak it is going. I mean, you know, this is really doing very well because the defense companies in the last 6 months are going crazy. Especially the government of India, the Prime Minister of India has decided to put a lot of focus on defense companies. And the best thing about Indian defense companies is previously they were making for the country's requirements, and now Indian defense companies have started to export outside India and they got the wings. So yes, they're gonna invest and they're gonna export, a lot of defense equipment outside India as well. Probably in terms of, exports, they are, starting to give these exports to countries like Philippines, Indonesia, Vietnam, and so on. But I can tell you, soon it would be in Africa. There are some discussions already. There are some of them which have already been matured, and there are so many other opportunities in the pipeline for these defense companies. Middle East gonna be one of the big customer for Indian defense companies, and I can tell you, in the next 5 years, Indian defense companies would be big, would be making lots of money. Look at American defense companies. They're selling billions of dollars of equipment and different arms and ammunition. Why not India? Indian defense products are equally good, and they're going to be even better going forward, because more money will bring more research and development. The products will become better, and that's when these companies will go big. Now let's look at last 1 month. Wow, look at this line. It is going up and up. Look at the stock of Hindustan Aeronautics and the other company I'm going to name very soon. I'm going to show you the holdings. This is going lovely, guys. This is going lovely. Now, this is very important picture, and I want to emphasize on this for a bit. I want you to really understand what are these defense companies, where the money is invested, why this mutual fund is going crazy and insane, why this mutual fund people wants to buy. Actually, I myself wanted to do a lump sum investment. I wanted to put a big money into this, but this mutual fund doesn't allow, friends. They don't want people to buy big into this mutual fund. They want people to have small parts, and everyone gets chance to buy. Because otherwise, some rich people or super rich, or some people can have big chunks and the others may get nothing. Actually, the other thing is, even when you do a monthly investment, which is called SIP, Systematic Investment Plan, the fund has restricted only to 10,000 Indian rupees, only 10,000. So it's a pity. You cannot make big money, but yes, even this 10,000 every month can make you rich over the years, because this fund is going to grow further, is going to, increase, and it is going to give you big returns. Look at the companies. Hindustan Aeronautics. People are going crazy to buy this equity because it's going up. Every day I look at it, I see, the price has increased. Last 1 year for this stock and the mutual funds which have Hindustan Aeronautics is going up. I mean, this is really lovely. Look at Bharat Electronics. Wow, this is two big holdings in this particular mutual fund, and these two makes almost 40% of the holdings, and that is why these two equities are going up, and this mutual fund is rocking like anything. Look at other companies: Solar Industries, Astra Microwave, BEML, Amtar Technologies, Premier Explosives, Scient DLM, Interglove Aviation, Anup Engineering, Avalon Technologies. All these companies, look at the stock of any of these companies. All of them are growing good. All of them are increasing, especially Hindustan Aeronautics, Bharat Electronics. They are going really, really well. So that is why this particular mutual fund is the mutual fund to invest now. Don't wait. You have only 10,000 Indian rupees which you can invest, which is a pity you cannot invest more. But why not to invest this much, and let's wait for it to become multiple fold over the years. Let me show you some of the rankings, actually, because this is a new one and there is no other mutual fund in India which is purely for defense, and that is why you can see there is no category average. But look at the returns, guys. 1 month 12%, 3 months 26, 6 months 51, and in all it's showing 102, but it has grown even further to almost 125%. This is lovely. Again, let me show you some other peer comparison, and again, my words are not enough. You don't need to believe what I'm saying. The facts are in front of you. Don't just listen to me. See, I also want to be very transparent and honest. Mutual funds, shares, or any other investments carry some risk. Do your own due diligence. Think yourself. Do your own homework and then decide what to do. Listen to me, listen to everyone else, but take your own decision. But I'm showing you the facts. look at the comparison. Look at any other mutual fund. I assure you, I challenge you, give me the comments, write in the comment section if you think there is any other mutual fund which is doing better. I would be more than happy, and you would be helping not only me but all other investors by sharing your feedback. But this is the mutual fund as of today, and I am not just saying, look at it yourself. Look at the comparison. Go to any website, do the comparison and see the results this particular mutual fund is giving. Look at the other thing. Why I said the holdings are very important. Look at the right extreme. Returns in these particular stocks is insane. Hindustan Aeronautics in 1 year has given whopping 242%. Guys, if you have invested 1 crores of rupees, it has become 2.42 crores of rupees. What do you want? You are already retired. You don't need to do anything. Just invest in the right stock or mutual fund and you become rich. And I told you that after watching my videos, you will not only become rich, but super rich. Money, 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 money. Yes, look at the other ones. Look at Premier Explosive. Guys, the stock has given 511%. It has become 5 times. Wow, this is amazing. Look at others. As I told you, the holdings are very important. All the holdings in this particular mutual fund are really doing an amazing job. So just stick to it. Invest as much as you can, but the limit is 10,000. So don't wait. Invest 10,000 in SIP and go for it. Look at the expense ratio. It's not bad, 0.76. It's very reasonable. But important thing is exit load. They don't want people to come and sell it tomorrow, make money and go home. They want the investments to stick for some time. So the exit load is 1% if you redeem within 1 year. The most important is the fund managers. Actually, this guy Abhishek and Dhruv, they are very young, and young in the company, and look at what they have been doing. They cleverly came up to this mutual fund. They looked at the right companies in the defense sector. They decided to invest in them and they're giving whopping return. That's lovely. Guys, remember one thing. I'm sure you will become rich, but please remember about happy investing. What is happy investing? When you become rich or when you make money, when you make profits, I request you to donate or do something good from that money. You don't have to invest all that money for something good. Why would you do that? You want to have that money for your own luxury, for your own life, but at least some part of it. When you do something nice, when you do something good, I do not know what you believe in, God, karma, Allah, Jesus, whatever. But, when you do something good, it brings back good things to you in life. And when you do something noble, you feel nice. It makes you happy. Try it, and you will see the magic. Do anything, maybe donate a book, help some poor child, give food to someone who is hungry, I do not know, whatever makes you happy. Maybe just become a responsible citizen. Don't litter around, maybe clean the street, clean the neighborhood, help each other, be nice, be honest, whatever makes you happy, do something nice. And I can assure you, you will touch new heights, because we all are good people and we are here to make money and help each other. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I want you to be rich and we will become rich. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Namaste.